Okay, Bhumika, start.
Imagine yourself waking up one morning to find that the city you are living in is totally filled with rising seas. Picture a scene where the once lush green forests have converted into deserts, the barren deserts. Imagine yourself standing in the natural wonder places which are now in the memory books and history books. Good morning to one and all present here. This is me, Bhumika Bohra, who will delve deeply into the topic global warming and its effects and explain you about the case studies and scientific proofs regarding it. So, first of all, some questions can come in our mind when we discuss this topic global warming. What is global warming? So, global warming is a natural disaster like process in which the earth gets in difficulty when we use many urbanization processes like deforestation, etc. These processes really hurt our earth, and this results in global warming. Global warming is primarily driven by human activities such as factory setup, industrialization, etc. So now let us discuss a few effects and topics regarding this. First, affected weather patterns. When global warming occurs, the weather pattern changes highly. We see that a few areas like India, in which Rajasthan is known for its heat, gets very much converted into a drought land, and the areas like West Bengal are converted into floodland areas. So we can see that global warming results in high increased weather pattern situations. Second, what comes to our mind second after this weather pattern? Animals and wildlife. So wildlife also gets very much impacted with global warming. One such case was reported when many animals, around 3 billion animals, were killed and hurt during this global warming incident in Australia. This is a huge loss for our world as animals are a huge asset for our world. Next comes the topic of human life and socio-economic culture. We humans are also very much impacted by global warming. This can be understood through many things. For example, glaciers, ice caps, these all are melting rapidly. This can be a huge result of floods. Floods and droughts can also occur if there is a lack of water. Both these things result in a huge danger to human life and socio-economic culture. Now I would like to share a few case studies with you all to tell you about this thing deeply. First, Dubai case. Dubai is a really huge place which is mostly man-made. The rainwater, the water bodies, all of them are artificial in Dubai. But one day, in 2024, 16th April, a rainfall occurred in which it was the highest rainfall in Dubai ever, which was recorded as around 11.9 inches. This was a huge asset of global warming. Next, we can discuss the Ajmer case. There is a village around 20 kilometers away from Ajmer. In that district, there is a rule made by people that no one is supposed to cut the neem trees. And even if they sell a piece of their land, they make sure to tell others that they should not cut the neem trees. This, as a result, plays a huge role for the temperature in that place. For example, if Ajmer's temperature is 50 degrees, the temperature of that village will be 7 to 8 degrees less than Ajmer. So this shows that protecting our trees and our natural flora and fauna is really essential as it helps reduce global warming. And for conclusion, I would like to say that Mahatma Gandhi once said, nature can fulfill our needs, our human needs, but it cannot fulfill human greed. So let us come together and protect our nature and fight towards all those who are cutting down trees and making us suffer from global warming. Thank you and have a nice day.
Clap.